Mommy China Crew. So we are going to do an experiment.
We're gonna have dyes. We're gonna have dyes. I have black dye. I have
We have food coloring.
Yeah.
We have a leafy green.
We have,
This is icing coloring.
we have
Like cake.
this is food coloring.
Teal.
Teal. I got black.
What color do you have, Marley?
Yellow. It comes out red first.
So all we're going to do is
Stir it up.
put some drops in our water.
Yeah.
Go ahead, put some drops in your water. Please don't make a huge mess. Oh.
Whoa.
All right, Skylar, that's enough for you.
Whoa. It's turning black already. I need to mix mine.
No, we're not gonna mix it. We're just gonna edit. Just watch it. Let it do what it does.
It looks red at the bottom. Look, it's sunset color. Mom, look at my color. It's sunset color. Guys, look at my color. It's tilted blue. It looks like
Ew.
blue. Both of y'all are gonna have to mix y'all's. I really want to eat.
Mine is green.
Mine's
It's moving around by itself.
Mine is teal. Look at mine.
Okay, so keep it down.
Look at mine, guys. It looks so beautiful. Okay, Mom, look at mine.
Okay. Close it. Close our stuff. You don't need this. This is what we're going to do. I'm going to put.
Oh yeah, I know it. I knew it. It's gonna make a color, different color.
Milo puts yours.
And
Skylar's.
Marley's.
Here, Milo put the other piece in
There
that
he
one.
is. What?
And Skylar put this one and this one. No, let me get you a new one. And we are going to watch the show. So let me take it off so I can show you guys how it's looking. We have all the colors
Inside.
linked together.
Yes.
So there's the blue and the green
and the sunset color.
Then the orange is yellow.
Color.
and the black. And we are going to see what happens when the tissue or Kleenex absorbs those colors.
Yeah. Are you gonna put it in the refrigerator?
Oh no, we're gonna leave it there. We're gonna watch right now. Let's sit down and watch.
Yeah.
So what would be your guess or hypothesis?
I think it's gonna be rainbow.
Okay.
It already looks like.
Skylar, what is your hypothesis?
I think this goes to here and then it
What goes to there?
So the black goes to the blue, then it goes to the green, and then it goes to here, and then
To the
and
orange
mix
yellow.
it up.
Marley, what do you think is going to happen?
I think they're gonna blend all in together, and then the blue.
Let's watch it.
The blue's coming out.
They're gonna blend all together. What's gonna happen?
And then it's gonna look like a rainbow.
You think it's gonna be a rainbow too? Okay,
Yeah.
leave it alone. We're just watching. So as you observe, Milo, what is happening? Observing is looking and watching. What's happening as you're watching?
I'm watching it's this one is turning blue. This
Yeah, they're changing. Let me take it down. Let's let you guys see. I have you guys on the stand right now, so I have to unscrew. And Morris is just screaming. So the tissue and that one and that Kleenex is kind of getting absorbed and it's turning like a brownish black, and this one is really blue up in there, and that one's green and that one's yellow. So we are going to watch, you guys, and observe and show you guys what happened.
I think it's done.
So guys, this is after 30 minutes
Yes.
of letting it do its own thing.
And I think the yellow look. It's black.
turning
The
kinda-
black it's like right there.
It's turning kind of brown over here.
Yeah. That's turning black from the black. Blue is turning dark blue. And
The green hasn't really done very much.
yes.
And the yellow is most definitely, it's spread it. So we are going to take them out. Should have got a piece of cardboard. Can you get?
There's a piece of cardboard.
Where?
Right there.
Yeah, get that box. Get the smaller box.
So that one? But it has stuff. Oh, okay.
Oh no, you don't have to do that. We could just take them out and put it on the top of there. So we can just show. Okay, we're gonna take them out and let y'all get a look.
Guys,
Okay, just put it on the table.
no.
Okay, put it on the box.
Mom, stop. Let's see what happened. Oh, so the green did nothing barely. The green.
So look at them.
The green turned dark.
This one up. No, put it.
Didn't do anything.
We're looking at the.
This turned black completely.
Yeah, they did change the color of the waters. Have you seen the water at the beginning of the video?
This turned really dark.
But look at the
I did something.
Why are we looking at the Kleenex and tell what happened?
So this. I guess the black did the most because look at it. Like, it turned all black. I thought it was
The black turned the Kleenex is brown. As we can see, we see the browns on the ends. That happened by the black.
There's no black on here, so.
Which color do we think spread the most by looking at these Kleenex?
Black.
On the Kleenex, I don't see black at all.
I think it was. Yeah, it has to be blue.
I think blue and yellow most definitely.
Yeah, blue and yellow did the most. Yeah. Green just stayed there at the same spot.
On to our next experiment.
We're gonna be making Skittles rainbow.
We're going to line a couple of Skittles.
Some medicine.
No, not yet. Not that one yet.
Yeah.
Put it around. We can spread it out some because we're not using all of our Skittles. Okay, that's enough right there, Milo. In there. Spread them out around the borders.
I can't. Can I do one?
Skylar, we can spread them out a little. I'm not giving any more of the Skittles so we can spread them around. Look, they want me to put our whole bag of Skittles in there. I am not doing that for the experiment. Get to spread and space them out. Space them. We got it spaced?
Yeah.
Every Skittle in a corner?
No.
Let's spread them out so they can, oh my goodness, you guys. They take forever. There we go. All right, that's enough. Thank you.
Time to pour the water in.
We're going to pour a little water.
And see what the
And watch the magic.
Oh, that's not a lot. Nothing. It's doing something. Yeah, that's not lot. It's doing something, guys. It's doing something.
Tell me if I did this wrong, you guys.
You didn't.
You think I should pour a little more?
Yeah, a little bit more.
Or just to watch it do what it does. It's already doing it.
It's already doing it. But it's not. Let me go crack the line. It's already doing it. Guys. Why are you doing that? I want to do it.
Trying to see if I can get, I'm going to just put a little more water.
Yeah, a little more.
So it can go across.
Like, how about more? Because they're right there and right there. Wow, it's already doing it, Mom. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at the water. Oh my gosh, that's so.
I don't want to mess nothing up.
Oh my. Look at this guy. It's turning. That's enough.
Okay, that's enough. So let's watch and see.
When it turns white, then we can eat one. Yeah, then we can eat them. All of them.
Oh, we're going to watch it for a while. Mars, what you screaming for?
Look, guys. That's turning white already.
But look at it spread. You see the rainbow effect?
Yeah, the rainbow effect. Look, guys, it's gonna come closer. First, that was nothing. Yeah, look at it. It's just making a rainbow from out of there. Wow.
Mars, you want to see?
Guys, this is so pretty. I love this.
Can you pour this out for me, Milo, in the sink? On the other side, that side. Thank you. No.
Where'd the S go on them? They're disappearing. The S?
Yes, thank you.
The S's are disappearing, guys.
All of it.
Yeah, guys.
Thank you.
Whoa. Guys, the purple's doing the most. Where's the purple? Eyes there. Look at this. Whoa. They look like a rainbow. Yeah. Some of it is. Wow.
Yes. Yes, Stinky. Yeah.
Oh, guys, look at this.
So we're gonna come back and look at that. Now we have something else that we're going to do. I'm going to pour a little peroxide.
Yeah, peroxide inside the skin.
Peroxide.
Not in the skin.
Peroxide.
Yeah.
Right in there.
Pour some Skittles.
Then I'm going to pick one color. Back up a little.
Can we pour on the other?
Just one. I'm doing one color.
Oh.
I think I'm going to do red.
I want to see red do that.
We are going to drop in red. Didn't sizzle.
Guys. You need to mix it. It's not doing anything.
It did sizzle. I thought it would get.
Mom, can you mix
Marley, here, mix. See.
It's not doing nothing. Look at the rainbow now.
Whoa! Well, that one failed. I thought it would have sizzled and bubbled up. Kind of like the vinegar effect.
Guys, look at
We didn't have vinegar, so we said we'll try that one. We do have apple cider, so we'll try apple cider vinegar. Can you pour this one out, Milo? Thank you.
I want to pour this one out.
We just need one more because we're just gonna try the vinegar next.
The black turned really black now.
Look at that rainbow.
Yeah, the rainbow one worked the most. Yeah. Rainbow one worked. Can we try the
Skylar,
M&M?
can you wash this out?
Yes. M&M? We don't have any. We do have M&M. I think so.
They want us to use all our candy up. I wasn't trying to use every piece.
Mom, can we eat one?
I just gave you a handful of Skittle. Right now, we are watching the experiment.
Look at the magic.
Thank you very much.
Look at the magic.
So, we're going to choose green this time.
Look at the magic.
I have a green. Okay, that's enough, Skylar.
Guys, look at the magic.
Should be enough.
Look at this one. It turned white.
Uh-huh, it did.
It turned white very
So, we are going to, it's a little food coloring still in there. But we are using apple cider vinegar, and we're going to drop that in.
Failed.
Yep, failed again. So we're going to have to get some real deal white vinegar to watch it sizzle.
Shower, look, this is white. Y'all do not eat that though. I'm not eating it. Throw it in the trash.
But this is our day of science.
Throw it in the trash, Marley.
How did you guys like the experiments today?
I love that. I think that's my favorite.
Marley, how did you like the experiment?
Good. This is my favorite.
Good. Milo, how did you like the experiment today?
Great!
I enjoyed the experiment as well. I think the Skittles right here is my favorite one.
Me too.
These one, most definitely, they got some color going. That was an epic fail, as well as
Throw it in the trash.
the peroxide as well. We'll probably have to get white vinegar. What it was supposed to do is bubble up and fizz.
Yeah.
So we'll try it again for you guys. Wow. Thank you guys for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel. Join the Mommy China crew.
Mommy China crew, we out. We out.